Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. In this video we will highlight all the new brands and all the new products and all the new features that we added to the CARCARE24 website this year. Let's start. We added a lot of products to the CARCARE24 website this year, and we also did a lot of changes, especially changes that improve the website speed and the usability and the comfort and the friendliness of using the website. So what you can see now is that pretty much everything clicks and hoovers much faster than it did before. Max, you prepared some questions. Hopefully that gives you a nice overview on what we have actually been doing behind the scenes for all of you in 2025. What's the first question? We added a lot of new brands, just in a short overview for you. So besides of what you know from us, what can you expect from us? 5-in-1 special chemicals and additives is new with us. Belgon metal polishes is new with us. Boxo, we added a lot of hand tools from them. Brunox, multifunctional sprays, BTEC, infrared lights, Castrol oil, Colat, color lock, leather products are new with us. Commandant, polishes and sealants are new with us. Dry packs is new with us. We added a lot of new Koch-chemie products. Leather experts is relatively new with us. Liquid Moly, oils and additives are new with us. Rain X is new with us. RCM is new with us. Rustico is new with us. Schumacher is new with us. Total is new with us. There's a lot new with us. Yes. So the most important requirement, we need to make some money on it. Because if there's no money to be made, then we don't have any reason to exist.
Hello, I like money.
What inspired you to build a second Krusty Krab right next door to the original?
Money!
So yes, there needs to be a certain amount of margin to be made. And what we try to do is we listen to the customers. For example, 3M. It's a well-established name in the industry, and we always first purchase, let's say, the top 5 or the top 10 on their products. And then Chris and me start working with it. And if we see the functionality, if we see added value, which we think, hey, this can be a unique characteristic or a unique function in the product, then often we are triggered to add it to the program. If it are brands or products that offer much of the same, then we don't see that added value for our customers. I think we get daily emails out of Asia, out of Eastern Europe.
Mr. Martin, just letting you know that you are a motherfucking G and I'm sorry that you're bald, lol. If you want, I can hook you up with a girl who can get your hair back and keep you banging.
Which are very friendly, offering us much of the same. If there's not enough added value in the product or in the tool or in the working system, then we are not interested for that. But if we purchase that top 10, top 5 of products and we start working with them, we've got a training center here upstairs on our own cars. If we see some added value, then we would say, this brings anything. We can also explain this to our customers why we added the product. That's a very important reason for us. And also what we like, we like brands that take the products that they manufacture or distribute seriously. How we test and discover products, we would like to communicate with suppliers about that. So what requirements do we need? Manufacturers and distributors that stand behind their brands, that know their products, that work with the products, that know what we call here in the border area Fingerspitzengefühl. You know what's around, how it works. We will find out ourselves if it's quality or not, and if it's the quality and the added value that we see in the products and that we need in the products, then we will be happy and proud to list them online. And we can also stand behind those products and brands. And if it's not, then it will never be available on the CARCARE24 website. There's a lot to choose from. I didn't change that much. Often when I have a good set of products that work for me, then I always stay with that. But what can I find? I would actually say the tool that impressed me the most was this thing, that mobile tire pump. But yeah, this is a small tire pump. It's so usable because a lot of times today when you have cars in the workshop as detailers or as car care specialists, often one tire is a little bit more flat than else. And then you see this indicator on the dashboard, hey, there's a tire with less pressure. What can we do about it? Often then you have to pretty much put the compressor on. And this is just a small tool. You can have it in your tool cart. Switch it on. You click it on the valve and you just switch it on and then it goes to 2.5 or 2.6 or whatever you want to set it on. I would say this is the coolest tool that we added this year. What's my favorite brand? I don't really have one favorite brand. To be honest, I've been washing vans and trucks since I was 8 or 9. When I started to do this seriously, I was 27. In the last 18 years, I saw a lot of brands come and go. And often what I use, I still use because that works for me for a certain reason. But to highlight a couple of brands that I really can work with, of course, our own Decon line of products. I like the simplicity of the Diamond Protect Body 36 coating. I like the HPX yellow tapes because they don't leave any residue when you need to tape off and mask off window trim, for example. Some Kraus polishers, to be honest. I like the S15 a lot. I would say those products are pretty much always on my cart. 70 or 80% of our customer base are professional users. So that would be detailing companies, volume-based car care companies. Also today we see a lot of remarketing companies, truck washes, professional car washes, car washing halls where you also can do the interior yourself, for example. Those are a lot of customers. Local garages that found their way to us since the beginning of this year, a lot here in the area. Windshield repair and replacement companies. And also a lot of just car enthusiasts that love to have some good products and tools that the professionals also use. I would say that's the backbone of our company. So as you can see, we've widened our arsenal a lot. And there's also, again, a lot of products to which are on our list to make videos for you guys and girls about. Yeah, if you got some questions on the new products and new brands that we launched on our website, write them here below or email us or chat with us over the WhatsApp function. If you got some ideas, things that you're missing that you would like to see in our arsenal, then also be open and share that with us. Because we're open to look into it, and yeah, if we can find added value in there, then we would be happy to connect with the vendors and the manufacturers from those products as well. We had a very good year. You could have seen in older videos, then yeah, we made some choices here that really influences the size and the turnover that our company made. But this year we had a really good year, so thanks all to you. We are really optimistic and looking forward to another great year in 2026. So we've got quite some plans to work on in the coming year. So we will not be bored and we will definitely keep on making nice videos and content for you, as well as service and support on site, on the website and here in the shop. I hope you like this video. Let's stay connected. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys and girls in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.